Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls. The drone man, Mason Keys, are coming to you from the kitchen table. And I bet you wonder what all this is. Well, it's morning. I'm having my coffee and my cigarette, but yet this is not the content really of this video. Because today we're going to look at a drone accessory for the Mavic Air 2. We'll kind of put this stuff off to the side and take a look at this here box. Alrighty. I had some other stuff coming in Amazon package, so it got opened and this was in that. But anyway, this is the payload aerial drop. Now that's what I call it. But yet, the full description of this item on Amazon is a Hand-a-Trolla payload airdrop release drop device for DJI Mavic Air 2 drone, clip delivery, transport dropper, wedding. I don't know where they get wedding out of this, but I guess you can drop some kind of small present to the bride and groom. And anyway, fishing bait. Now I can see that to drop the bait way the hell out there. And search and rescue kit. Now that's the official name. Now we'll get to the description of what's in the box. Now the specs on this, it's the brand name is Hand-a-Trolla. The control type is remote control, and you just press the FM button on the Mavic Air 2 to release it. But anyway, it's remote control. Are there batteries? Yes. The weight is 96 grams. Now the batteries, it's built in. It's 150 milliamp hour battery. And remote, yes, and the battery cell is lithium. Now this is specially designed for the Mavic Air 2, one button operation through the remote controller, and it has the same range as the Mavic Air 2. So you, as far out as you can take the Mavic Air 2, this should work with that range. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. In the box, of course, the instructions. The instructions are in Chinese. Then on the reverse side, you have English. Thank goodness, because I don't read Chinese. And some more stuff that's stapled together on how to put it together. Both in English and on the reverse side, Chinese. The same here. More instructions on how to actually connect it to the drone. And on the back side, Chinese. And then here again, Chinese. On the other side, Chinese. So you got a lot of Chinese in there, and I guess kind of sort of the same. So let's take a look at what's in this box. Stop it. Well, now we brought out the Mavic Air 2. Just show you how this hooks up. Alright, in the box you will find four extended landing gears, the actual drop kit itself and the charging cable. So let's take a look and see how this goes together. Okay, as you can see here, the Mavic Air 2 is elevated because of these landing gears. And thanks to my son Spencer, you could see the little writing on the landing gears, because even with my glasses I couldn't see it. But anyway, he got these put on for me. And as you notice, and you say, well, do I have to take the landing gears off every time when I'm not using my aerial drop? Well, no, you don't, because whoever thought this out was pretty smart, smarter than me anyway. But these landing gears fold up. The ones in the back, they fold up like that. And in the front, they just fold up like that. Now that's pretty cool. So that'll sit right down in your case. So anyway, this is just the preliminary on the aerial drop. So the next part of the video will be to actually put the Mavic Air 2 in the air using this, and we'll see how it works. Just like that. This opens up. Go to the belly. And there you go. That's just how quick you can get this product in the air using this aerial drop. So I can't wait to get this in the air so that we can see just how the aerial drop works. So that concludes this video. If you like what you see, if you like that San Francisco treat, and ring that bell, you know, Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat, ding ding. So hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, share this out. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and God bless, and we'll catch you here on part 2 of the Mavic Air 2 aerial drop.